What's up guys, I'm Sean. Today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be installing these running boards on my friend's 2018 Toyota Highlander. These running boards, the complete kit, it comes with all the hardware and the brackets. And the running board is made by TAC Truck Accessories Company. It's the Viewpoint Running Board. You can find these on Amazon for about 220 bucks. I'll put a link in my description. So I laid out the hardware right here and the running boards, following the instructions. And we're going to start on the driver's side. That's the front of the car. So it says locate the 9 rubber plugs. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to cut this out, 3, and we're going to cut this out, 4. It's pretty easy to cut using a razor blade. Now I'm going to use a little pick tool or a screwdriver to pull out the rubber grommet. There it is, here's the rubber grommet. Do the same for number 4 right here. We're going to get this kit ready. This is what they call the bolt plate, and a washer, lock washer, and the nut. So basically the long end's going to be facing each other. So this is hole number 4, and like that. Bolt plate number 3. Based on the instructions, the front bracket is the long one. It's interchangeable between left and right. With the front bracket lined up with the studs, so the washer, the locking washer, and then the 10mm nut. We just loosely install it for now. Now we're going to get the support plate ready. This is the support plate. This is the bolt. So we're going to thread the nut down the bolt first. So we thread that stud into the back tab of the front bracket, and we're going to slide this plate in between the car and the bracket. So we're going to screw this down. We're not going to tighten it up yet. The front bracket is on, but not tightened yet. And now we're going to work on the center setup. Very similar hardware. So the next plug we're going to cut this out with a razor. This is number 5. Now we're going to install the rear bracket on the driver's side. It's offset, so the shorter end is in the back, the longer end points to the front. And we're going to remove grommet number 8 and 9 towards the back. So the rear bracket is in, similar to the middle and the front. Now we're going to install the running boards. So note that the longer slanted part of the running board goes to the front, and the shorter slant goes towards the rear. Now we're going to install 6 T-bolts. There's an opening right here in the front of the running board. It's going to be 3 on this rail, and then 3 down here in this rail. 1 goes towards the front, 1 towards the middle, 1 all the way towards the back. Install the running boards, try to line it up with these slots on the bracket. It's underneath, goes into the slots here. Now we're going to loosely install the small washers, lock washers, and nuts. The hardware washer, lock washer, nut is loosely on. The center one and also the front one. So you can adjust it left to right and in or out. So my friend likes it flush here, so more room to step on in the back, and he wants it further out. So now we're going to tighten the running board bolts here, here, and there. We're going to check the level, use the leveler, or just measure with measuring tape from the running board to the ground. And to adjust the leveling of the board, you adjust this bolt here in the middle and the front. So what this bolt does is that it pushes the bracket forward or back. So you can loosen it or tighten it to get the leveling you want. Once you get the level that you want, then we're going to tighten this nut here, and then we're going to tighten the rest of the bolts all around. The driver's side is done. Now you just have to repeat the steps on the passenger side. Alright guys, everything done. The passenger side is installed. Very simple installation, plug and play unit. No drilling or cutting required, besides cutting out the grommet. Other than that, it bolts right on. About 220 bucks from Amazon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and watch more. Thanks for watching.